Hi mga kagams at kagamers! Ayan, nandito po tayo sa Winland Tower Residences sa may Tomas Morato. At syempre magbabonding kami ng mga Peppa babies namin. Kasama natin si Peppa Pig at syempre throwback na to, flashback na tong ganap na to kasi ito ay last Feb 25 pa. Alam niyo na, laging busy lang tayo lately kaya medyo late tayo nakakapag-upload ng videos. Pero ganun pa man, ayan, samahan nyo kami guys! At ayan, syempre nakita nyo na yung ating pa-room tour at eto na, nagugutom na kami guys. Marami na kaming gutom, promise. Ayan, kain tayo guys! Ayun guys, kulitan na tasara na bang kumakain kasi actually guys, alam ko magbe-birthday kasi sila Ningning yan. So, sabi nila, nag-expect daw sila Ningning ng surprise. Ayan. Pa-surprise sa kanya na birthday. Nagkataon, hindi daw talaga kasi yan gagawin ngayon kasi nga daw hindi na surprise kasi expected niya. Kaya tawa sila ng tawa, nagkukulitan kaming lahat. Asaran dito, asaran doon. At syempre hindi natin ma-on yung sounds yan kasi baka makopyright tayo guys. Okay, swimming mode guys. With the baby girls. Andun na sila oh. Ayan oh. So, ayun guys, nakita nyo na kasi tayo magsiswimming, pero ito talaga ang pumukaw sa atensyon ng asawa ko. Ayan, yung playground. Grabe lahat sila dyan maglalaro aliw.
Ito ano? Grabe, parang di magkasya.
Oh!
Di pa sila tayo. Sa Pasig ito ba? Sabi ko nga sabi, Miray ko ay Miray. Elsa, ako ba umatawa si Roger?
Sa video pa.
May video ka siya. Wala mo dulas?
Kaya na, baby ko, dali.
Dali ka na. Yan.
Kasi ano naman siya mag-slide.
Katla po lang, katla po. Hindi, bebe ko ah. Ay, sampo mo na yan ah. Hindi ko ba? Naka-video. Yan siya. Oh, di ba? Sarap!
Oh, di ba?
Aray! Gas-gas talaga yun. Tama na, uy. Sabi ko isa lang. Walas na. Ikaw nga nagdalawa eh. Ako nga nagtatlo eh. Saan ang maganda dito na?
Baby ko, ako naman! Siyempre, dapat tayo rin magta-try. Ayan, magta-try din ako. Excited yan.
Nakakahinga na.
Hingal ako.
Oh, di ba nakakahinga? Kasi ba ako, bebe ko? Kasi ka na? Kasi ba ako, bebe ko?
Oo.
Wala di kasi. Wala di kasi. Wala lalaki. Hindi kasi.
Oh, tara na! Nga, nanawa na sila sa playground. So, magsiswimming naman kami. Ayan, nagdadalawang isip sila kasi ang lamig ng tubig, guys. Sobra. Picture! Tingin! Tingin, guys! Picture! 1, 2. Lalamigin kayo lalo pag nakaano kayo. Tingin! Picture! Smile! 1, 2. Isa pa.
Tup-tup kasi.
Oh, patay oh.
Di ba ayaw maligid ka sa buhay? Dito lang, dito.
Lapit kayo, dali, para may picture kayo. Lapit kayo, para may picture kayo, dali. Dali, para may picture kayo. Si ano? Si Jane. Ah. Yan, asi siya. Ready? 1, 2. Isa pa. Yan, isa pa. Yun, okay na.
Nakabawal na yan. 3. Nakata kami. 2. 1. Go! Prinsesa kami din na una.
Si Montan! Si Montan ang winner. At syempre may pa-TikTok entry din kami dyan.
Pabili nga po kami. Yun lang yun? Paano?
Ayun guys, after natin mag-TikTok, ayan dahil basa tayo, bawal tayo sa elevator. So, nag-fire exit kami from 33rd floor. Papunta kami ng 28th floor. Ayan, mano-manong baba. Sa fire exit kami. Ang sakit sa paa guys. Ang taas ng hagdan. Grabe. Oh no! Anong number na? Uy, wala nang number.
30 ata. 33, di ba? 32. 31. 30, 28. 9. Let's go. Oh, dali. Ha? Dali na. Meron? Oh, let's na. Magbabalit na dali.
Nakikita ako.
Grabe.
Oh my God, masakit na yun.
Tapos mamaya makain kayo ng madami. Grace natin yan. Nakakahilo.
At syempre, hindi dyan natatapos ang ating video. Gaya ng dati, meron tayong selfie at groupie.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe LJ Senior Rest.